What's up? We better get started on the wide body Hellcat nose attack gloss black. Alright guys, excuse the mess, but we just knocked out the doors and the quarter panel. This one we got both quarter panels and the doors done. We're gonna be finishing up on probably the hood, roof, and trunk tomorrow. Probably knock out the fenders as well, maybe the side skirts, and we're gonna have this thing ready to go pretty soon. We're doing a full gloss black wrap and a nose attack, which is turning out pretty clean so far. This one is the Hellcat Jailbreak. Last call. Porsche Speedster, MSRP $450,000. gas cap, the spoiler. Take a look at that. Sheesh, we got the spoiler all finished up. This thing is pretty much finished. We got 2 more door handles left and got to do the antenna. And then after that, this thing is ready to go. Let me know in the comments how you guys think this murdered out Hellcat turned out.